It's innovative payment systems in modern banking and financial services scenario. And I'll be calling Mr. Pushpinder Singh, Head Financial Inclusion, New Business, National Payments Corporation of India. Rajnish Khare, Head Digital Transformation and Mobility Banking, HDFC Bank. Shri Deepak Sharma, Executive Vice President and Head Digital Initiatives, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Mr. Ashutosh Pandey, Founder and Chief Innovation Officer, Paise. Vimal Dhar, Vice President, My Mobile Payments Limited. Mohan Chandrasekharan, Founder and CEO at Stringo Software Private Limited. Saqib Sheikh, COO, Swift India. And Mr. B.K. Das, General Manager, State Bank of India, to come on stage. So we will be starting the session, Innovative Payment Systems in Modern Banking and Financial Services Scenario. And I'll request Mr. Pushpinder Singh to chair this session and to moderate this session. And Mr. Deepak Sharma, Executive Vice President and Head, Digital Initiatives, Kotak Mahindra Bank, will be speaking on e-governance to m-governance, leading the digital way.
Those days, especially from my time, I can talk about that, motorcycles were not very common. What we had were bicycles. In those good old days, our young days, used to do stunts on them. I don't know how many of you concur with me. And the same has been replaced by motorbikes in today's generation. The rash drive, the way they want to do things and feel that nothing's going to happen. Come on, we are immune to all that. We have the flexibility. We can swing on the motorbikes in front of the oncoming traffic and get away with it till that catastrophe happens. And when we are talking about this generation, here is a scenario where they are willing to take all risks, even in the payment systems. The previous speaker was talking about the risks that were there on the mobile. But does it stop innovation? Has it ever said that just because we used to fall off our bikes, we stopped using bikes? Or today's generation, they fall off the motorbikes, they stop using motorbikes, or the new generation high-speed cars for that matter. So innovation continues. And that is more brought out by the innovation that is happening in the payment system. The innovation that is really bringing different challenges to the market space, at the same time bringing in convenience to its users. I am quite sure all of you would have seen yesterday, one of the banks has launched a card which has a digital display on the card itself. How many of you read about it? I don't know. And they have done away with an OTP concept. So that display itself generates a random number for secure transactions at that point in time. Of course, they have launched it only for a high net worth customers, but that is where it is. And innovations are happening around that space because they find that convenience is important. At the same time, security is equally important. And this is what has to happen together to take things forward. So we have today, I think with us, a new product which I was talking about, something which has been done specifically on payment systems. So let us see that what it is bringing forth new.